Galing! Palapada, galing. Ang galing ni Justin na.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader in the Philippines, the mental assassin, Justin Piñon!
Actually, hindi ako magaling magbasa ng tao.
Favorite yan ni Bas? Bas magbasa ng ganyan?
Nagbabasa ka ngayon ba ng tao?
Hindi, gusto niya magbabasa lagi.
Okay.
Gusto niya magbabasa lagi yan.
Okay, sige. So, let's see no kung ano yung lalabas ng mga cards ngayong hapon na ito para sa atin. Kayo na lang mag-interpret siguro.
Yes.
I'm not familiar with tarot reading. I just have this for keeps kasi gusto ko din matuto. But what I know is yung cards ay tinatawag ka.
Yes, may energy yan. May
May
dahilan
energy.
kung ba't yan.
Right?
Connecting
So,
with your higher self.
Bas, cut it in the middle. Kahit saan, cut mo. Yan. And then, parang let's see if how it influences us. Yung art nito. Okay? So, you cut it in the middle. First card is Lovers.
The lover cards.
Uy.
Wow!
Yan. Mamaya, interpret natin. This is for your card siguro. Lover. Next is Master Hand. Since malayo ka, pre-fall kung ganyan and say stop anytime.
Stop.
Here? Okay. So, let's see. Strength.
The strength card, yes.
Uy. Parang tayo yan Yan. So, lover, may wife ka, super in love with your wife. Strength, you are a man of strength with your capabilities. And last, stop. Here. Ano to? Three of Swords
Three
ba
of
yan?
Swords, yes.
Okay, Three of Swords. This is an interesting match or interesting na lumabas. So, we have Lover, Strength, and Three of Swords. Three of Swords, tayong tatlo. Ang galing
The Three Musketeers.
Three Musketeers and ang ganda ng combination na ito. Kasi maybe you've been thinking about this for quite some time now. Siguro kanina pa, si Master Hans siguro na alam na niya na ito yung mangyayari. Alam mo kung bakit, Master Hans? Pumunta ka sa Facebook mo. Tingnan mo yung art card na pinost mo tungkol sa ano natin ngayon.
Oh my God. Yun yung lumabas nga. Yun nga.
Wait.
Oo nga, yung art card namin, ito.
Kagabi pa yan, di ba?
Sabi pa yan, oh. My God.
Tingnan mo.
Oh, okay. Guys, yung art card na ginawa kagabi, ayan yung lumabas. Randomly kinuha at lumabas yung card na to.
And it called upon us. And
Galing.
this is meant to be.
Woo! Galing! Palapada, galing. Ang galing ni Justin na.